I'll show you how to make brass in Create mode for Minecraft. First, we need to have a mechanical mixer that is crafted like this, and Basin, which can be crafted using this recipe. Next, we need to get Copper Ingot. You will also need a Zinc Ingot. Our next step is to create a blaze burner. To do this, lay out 4 iron sheets and 1 Netherrack block like this. Now we need to put the blaze into it. To do this, just click on the blaze with the empty blaze burner. Now let's put everything together. We put the blaze burner, above it is the basin, and then the mechanical mixer above it. Next we need to make the blaze work. To do this, just click on it with coal or any other fuel resource, and as you can see, it is now on fire. Next we need to drop copper ingot and zinc ingot into the basin, and now we need to add a little inertia, so we'll spin it with the hands. After a while we click on the basin and pick up our brass ingot, and that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.